Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Windows 11 has rolled out a major redesign to its start menu. In this video, I'll show you how to first enable the brand new start menu in Windows 11. Let's begin. First, make sure you are running the latest Windows 11 OS build, preferably build 26200.7171 or newer. To check your build number, open Settings by pressing Windows key plus I. Go to System, scroll down to the About, then scroll down to Windows Specification section, and here you can see your OS build. Mine is 26200.7171. If you are not updated, simply head to Windows Update and click on Check for Updates. Download and install all the updates shown here. Restart your PC afterwards. Now, if you are updated and still don't see the new start menu, as is the case with this PC, understand that Microsoft is doing a staged rollout of this feature. You have three options. Option 1, wait for the official rollout from Microsoft. Option 2, join the Windows Insider program for early access. Option 3, first enable the new start menu with ViveTool. In this video, I'll show you how to do so using the ViveTool. Simply open your browser and search for ViveTool. Go to the GitHub page and download the latest version. As at the time of producing this video, the latest version is version 0.3.4. So just click on it to download it. And that's it. So go to the download folder and here it is. Right click on the zipped file, click on extract all and extract it to the same download folder. So extract. Close this. And this is the folder containing the extracted files. You can rename this folder ViveTool. Right click and rename. Now you need to open command prompt as administrator. Click on the start menu, type CMD, right click command prompt and click run as administrator. Yes. Now you need to navigate to the extracted ViveTool folder. You can simply go to the download folder, double click on the ViveTool folder, go to the file path, copy and select the file path, and then go back to the command prompt, type CD and right click, then press enter. You are now inside the ViveTool directory. Now type the command shown on the screen exactly. Note the spaces. I will also add this command to the description of this video so you can simply copy and paste it. Press enter. You should see a message saying successfully set feature configurations. Now simply restart your computer. Before we restart this PC, you can see that this PC is currently running the old start menu. So let's restart the PC. And here it is, the new start menu. You can see the updated layout and new categories. And that's how you bypass the staged rollout and enable the latest start menu design. Meanwhile, if you don't like the new start menu design, you can reset it. Simply type the command shown on the screen in the command prompt, which must be running as administrator. So, what do you think of the new start menu? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe and share the video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.